Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm out driving our 72 Chevy Nova. Big block. The code's on the engine 396. I don't know what it's built to. It says we're going 70. I think we're probably closer to 60. I would guess it's running a little fast. 2,800 RPMs. Drives down the road great. I'm not even touching the steering wheel. Nice driving car. Really nice built car. They just restored it, fresh paint on it. The underneath's been detailed. The motor looks good. I mean, this is just a nice restoration. So if you're looking for a Nova that's kind of got a unique color to it also, so you're not gonna, if you go to a cruise in or a show and shine, you're not gonna see another one probably like it. So it's kind of a unique car, and it drives great. Power steering, manual drum brakes, which you got tach gauges, got the rally wheels. So just kind of a nice setup. Was an air car, missing the compressor and some of the lines and the condenser. So obviously could be put back to add air onto it. But it's funner to just hang your arm out the window. So we'll turn around here at the corner and go through the gears for you. It's that 350 turbo with I actually can't say whether it's 350 turbo. It's an automatic. I'd have to look to see whether it's a 400 turbo or a 350 automatic. But got a Hurst shifter on it. Second to third, nice solid shifts. Got some juice to her, so fun car. Gas gauge works over there. Any questions? 605-695-7391.